In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk close tickets in Zendesk, making your customer support process more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by creating or opening a view that displays the tickets you need to close. This is an essential step because it helps you manage multiple tickets simultaneously, ensuring you have a clear line of sight on which tickets require your attention. If you haven't created a specific view yet, you can do so by navigating to the View section in Zendesk, where you'll have the option to customize your view settings based on ticket status, priority, or even specific criteria that suit your workflow. Already having a customized view simplifies the process significantly as it saves time and effort. Once your view is set up and you have the tickets you want to close in sight, it's time to start selecting them. In Zendesk, you can use checkboxes located on the left side of each ticket row to select the tickets. A pro tip here is to keep in mind that Zendesk allows you to select up to 100 tickets at a time. This limit is put in place to ensure that any actions you perform, like closing tickets, are processed smoothly without overwhelming the system or creating any bottlenecks. So, go ahead and select the tickets you wish to close, making sure they are all part of your chosen view. Now that you've selected up to 100 tickets from your view, the next step is to click on the Edit Tickets button. This button is your gateway to making changes to multiple tickets simultaneously, a feature that comes in especially handy when managing a large volume of support requests. By clicking here, you're entering a mode where you can apply uniform changes to all the selected tickets, such as changing their status. After clicking Edit Tickets, you'll want to change the status of these tickets to closed. This is a critical step because it's what moves the tickets out of the active queues, indicating that these particular tasks or customer inquiries have been fully resolved. To do this, you'll find an option or drop-down to change the status. Select Closed to finalize this action and ensure that these tickets are systematically removed from your active list, essentially decluttering your workflow and freeing up resources for new or more urgent tasks. Finally, once you've changed the status to closed, be sure to click Submit. This is the final step that confirms and applies all your changes. It's important to remember to hit Submit, because this is what effectively updates the ticket's status in the system. Once submitted, these tickets will be archived appropriately, and you'll notice that your active ticket queue looks noticeably tidier and more manageable. And there you have it, a seamless way to bulk close tickets using Zendesk. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your workflow, ensuring that your team can focus on addressing active customer needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tips for optimizing your Zendesk usage.